Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create sprint in Jira. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for jira.com and sign in your account. Once you've done that, what you need to do is to click on this project section right here at the upper part of your screen. Click on view all projects and select the project that you want. Okay, so now what you need to do is to click on the backlog section at the left side of your screen and you should see this page. Okay, and then right here, as you can see, I have this create sprint button right here. So just go ahead and click on that. Now, what you need to do is to plan your sprint. Okay, so just go ahead and click on the edits right here. So put the sprint name. For the duration, you can just go ahead and choose 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or just go ahead and custom it. So create a start date and the end date. And if you have any sprint goal, just go ahead and type it right here and click on update. Okay, so once you've done that, just go ahead. You can just go ahead and create an issue right here. New story in, select the option right here. And for the issue, you can just go ahead and click on the three little dots right here and just go ahead and create an issue. So if you have any issues, just go ahead and type it right here. So for the status, summary, components, the attachment, description. So here, reporter, the link to issues, like that one. You can select an issue, fixed versions, assignee, priority, labels, epic link, sprint. And you can just go ahead and create another issue right here. Okay, so once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the create button right here. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and start the sprint by clicking this button. Okay, and that is how you create sprint in Jira. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.